Hi everyone, it's Mike here.
And Ian here.
Today we have a Happy Mail share. Now, this has come from Florida in the United States from Christine Cantrell. And I've known Christine, I've been speaking to Christine for about a year or so. And she's sent me, she's had a clear out. And she sent me a box of Happy Mail. Now I think there might actually be something in here for you because it says.
So. I'm taking the back seat here, as you can see.
Yeah, because it does actually say found objects on the customs form on the front of the box. So there may be bits in here. Now I have already sliced it open. And I'm just going to remove the bubble wrap.
Fairy pillows.
Fairy pillows.
Fairy pillows is here.
Oh, furry.
Fairy pillows.
Hello,
yeah.
hello you. Right, so what we'll do is I'll switch over to the overhead camera and then I will open the package so you can see what Christine sent. Okay, so the box. So inside there is a card from Christine. I'll just open it up, have a quick read, show you first of all.
Oh, that's nice. Very steampunky.
That's nice, isn't it?
It's nice, isn't it?
Let's have just a quick read. I'll just take it off camera just in case there's anything that that's a bit too personal. No, there's nothing in there that's absolutely any personal at all. So it says, "To Mike, I was having a tidy up of my studio and found some bits I thought you could use. Thank you for all you do. Your videos are always a source of inspiration. Enjoy, Christine. P.S. Feel free to share any bits with
me.
Yeah, that you like with others."
Yeah. I've got paint on my fingers.
Have you?
That's a surprise.
Not very unusual. A lovely card.
It is, isn't it?
Right, okay, we'll stand that up with the others. And then let's have a look. Black tissue. Lovely. So we'll keep that sound. Right. Trying for it not to go out of focus. So there we go. It's picked back up again. Okay, so it's all wrapped. Tell you what, might be easier if I lift the whole lot out.
I'll get the box.
Ready? 3, 2, 1. There we go. Ooh. Interesting. Okay, so what do we got? Pages from a 1953 Royal College typing book, typewriter use manual. Always like that. Nice gilt font. Ooh. Cool.
That's cool, is that?
Yes.
The Westminster Machine Company.
Lesson 19. Like that.
I like that, that's cool.
Just trying to think, isn't it? Where have I heard lesson 19 recently?
Don't know.
No, me neither. Okay, so lots of fantastic, nicely aged and coloured vintage papers from 1953. Love that. Can I hand them to you to hold on to? Okay, so we have some tissue papers.
Tissue paper's nice.
Lots of tissue papers. Bits are all wrapped up, but this is also. Now, is that tissue paper or is it carbon paper?
Tissue paper has got a pattern on it.
Yeah, it looks like carbon paper, doesn't it? There you go, you can see the pattern on it now. How unusual.
Well, just rub one corner of it on there and see what happens.
Rub my finger. No, it's a tissue paper.
Nice.
It feels like carbon paper. How unusual. And there's another one to go with it, so it's obviously from the same pack.
Nice.
This will be really kind of steampunky. Look at the cat.
Yes.
And the balloons. The engines. We're liking those. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay, so that one's slid out. So, Industrial Chic.
By Susan Lennart Kraser. Kraser or Kramer?
Kasma. Or Kasma. And there's all sorts of little circles of paper all bound together.
That's nice.
With this beaded front cover.
That's pretty.
It's really unusual, isn't it?
Have a look.
All different, all different papers. Without taking it off the actual pack, it says Hope right in the front. Hope, not soap. There we go. What's this? Something else. Another one. This is a key with all bits of paper threaded on behind it. I get a little plastic back. I must spread them out like feathers. Oh, excuse me. Oh dear, where did that come from? My shoes, I think. From my boots. So that could be spread out to create kind of like wings, couldn't it, with that key? Very unusual. Thank you. So what's in this? Yeah, I'm definitely going to be losing some of these. Right, what's this? Bead landing. They're like little studs. Oh, like screws, but...
Oh, they're pretty.
Oh, you can just see there's a slot in there. Nice bit of decoration.
Yes.
Let's put that to one side over there and do some more tissue paper to treasure. Love that. Thank you. I've just torn it now. Big box of cogs.
Cool. There's two. Two big boxes.
Two big boxes, actually.
Ooh.
Good grip, and there's loads. I've just spotted another one in there.
Oh. Oh.
And some hearts.
There's another packet of cogs there, right ahead.
Oh, good grief.
Lovely. Can never have too many cogs.
I think.
Ooh.
I've got a funny feeling. Oh, no.
Oh, you wanted some skulls?
Yes.
The Tim Holtz ones.
Fantastic.
You were looking for some of those, weren't you?
I was. I am.
You got any more?
I know it's only June. Very, very back end of June. As your mother used to say.
Back-endish used to say.
Very back-endy.
Yeah.
I know it's only June, but I have actually started work on Halloween already.
It has.
So, Christine must have read my mind.
All the ghosts and things.
Yes. 2 packs.
Oh.
2 packs of skulls. Excellent. There's another. Just keep hold of that tissue, done. And then another pack of those. I've got a funny feeling these were in one of those.
Yes.
And Christine's opened it.
Maybe about to cover some of these.
There's 6 boxes.
Wow.
So 6 boxes of different coloured metal cogs and gears. And
90
that kind of
pieces
stuff.
in each.
Right, and there's approximately 6 boxes.
That's got 6 9s. That's
so
a lot. That's nearly 600.
6 9s, so 54, 540.
That's a lot, isn't it?
No, because they said 90.
90,
Not
yeah.
10, is it?
90 been that. No, I don't know. Anyway.
You've not had your lunch yet. The brain isn't working.
They never work.
Let's put those skulls there, and then
What are these sound like?
Alice in Wonderland. There's all that kind of clocks, and so you can see it on the screen in front of me anyway,
I'm
can't
just
you?
looking, yeah. Clocks are cool.
All little look at that one.
Like
That one's got a little cabochon on it.
Or resin. It's resin.
There you go.
I like the watch back type one.
This one.
Yeah. That may be going on a device.
There's a little Dali one there, look.
That's hot here, it could melt.
It is hot today. It's very, very hot again. I think the entire world is having a heat wave. Ooh.
It's raining in Miami.
Is it?
Yeah.
Did you check?
Yeah.
I don't know whether that's just gone off colour, because that looks like almost pearly in there. But there you go.
Super.
So all those, and then we have another packet here of more
Some clocks.
clock faces. Without opening it up. Objet trouvé. Bead landing. I've never heard of those.
I've heard of knots landing.
Oh, distributed through Michael's. Yes, I can imagine. So yeah, right, okay, fantastic. So let me just turn the camera back round again.
Some baby ones as well.
Like a kid, you just can't wait to get in the packet, can you?
Look. Look at those.
Yeah.
They're thin.
They're very, very small. Yes, yeah, I'm recording already. So, Christine, thank you so much. As you can see, Ian's already into the packet, so I think, yeah, I think he will be stealing some of these from the boxes to make use in some of his steampunk machines. So thank you so much for thinking of us and sending that package over from Florida. So that's all from us for now. Again, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you all again very, very soon.
Ta-ta.
Bye. It's very distracting when I'm trying to see you, what you're doing, and trying to say goodbye all at the same time.
My problem.
Oh, strap.
No. Oh, excuse me, I'm a bit of a slut.
I'd also like to say a huge thank you to all of my angels, without whose generosity and support these videos would not be possible. Thank you.